Alright guys. Oh, it's already popped. I haven't fired this sucker up in I don't know how long. Let's put this battery on. No sparks, that's not a good sign. Fire this booger up. I need to charge the battery. Alright, I just slapped in a different battery, which I believe has some juice. I got a flat tire. She been sitting. Oh yeah, oil light looks good now. Be gentle. Good old American muscle, baby. Might need to do a little something with the gas. It's running a little rough. Maybe check some spark plugs. But hey, you gotta stay tuned, stay fast.